Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TJ. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button wherever it is on the screen. I'll wait. So yeah, today I'm going to be installing this 𝚑𝚒𝚂𝚗𝚏 unit. Y'all, when I tell you it's fire, it is fire. I'm not even going to do a lot of chit chat and we're going to get right into the unboxing. Let's get it. Let's go. Y'all, I'm really excited about this wig here, particularly because it is a different color. I'm scared. Yeah, y'all already know when it comes to color, I'm scared. Ain't nothing else in there, but this is the bag. It says Hermosa Hair. You know, and then inside we got our little elastic bands. We got us some lashes. They also sent over a cap. Okay, I don't do the ball cap method, but if you guys do, it comes with a cap. Now this color, I thought about recording this after I opened it up. Don't mind it looking like this because, like I just said, I was already all up in the package and I was like, let me just do a quick recording so you guys can see what the hair look like. So it's no need for me to actually bleach the knots because there's no black knots on here because it's a, you know, it's a light colored wig. I don't know how to explain the color. Obviously, I would say blonde with chocolate highlights, if you will. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna pull this off, but we finna try because this is giving like 613 blonde. Don't come for me. I'm missing a nail. But this is what she's giving us straight out of the package so far. I love this color though. This brown, this pretty color. Y'all, I don't even know if it's brown. It could be a different color. But yeah, let's stop saying brown because I don't know what color that is. And I might not keep it. It comes with the middle part. But I don't think I'm going to wear this as no middle part. I mean, I don't know. That look crazy. Alright guys, so I'm going to go in with my Shimmer Light shampoo and we're going to go ahead and tone the hair. I already actually wet the hair, but my camera was not recording. So I'm just going to go ahead and pour a little bit in my hand. If you said night, baby, I might let you say all of me. Want you here, need your mind in these sheets. Completely intertwining our minds, yeah. Tell your future like a psychic. Baby, you gon' end up right in my bed. Chemistry is science. I could play it cool, but I'd be lying. Read you like a psychic. I'ma tell you something, you gon' like it. Chemistry is science. Better than what you was fantasizing. So the sun is out. The sun is out. Let me get the wig. We are back in the building. Anytime I put on like an ash blonde, any type of blonde, I feel like it brings out my skin tone. Okay, my brown chocolatey skin tone, it just makes it hit. Okay, all right, so here's the inside of the wig. I don't know if I showed that. Probably did not. Oops, I did pluck a little hole in there. I got carried away with plucking. Okay, but I love how thin the lace is. Okay, but it is transparent. It does have like a white cast into it. So you're gonna have to tint it anyway. So as you guys can see, it blends in 20 times better. I didn't cut the lace off the back of the wig, which I need to stop doing. Somebody pulled me to the side the other day and was like, girl, what's that white piece in the back of your head? Girl, it was my lace in the back. I gotta start cutting off. Let me cut that off real quick. Jesus, go get my scissors for me. Yo, so I found my scissor wars, which was sitting right here and on the table. So we're gonna go ahead and actually hot comb. I was about to say cut off the lace. No ma'am. Do I have any wax? Please, Jesus. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some wax on here. Now I did create a part. It didn't come with a part, so do be mindful of that. I'm gonna just straighten that up because y'all know me in parts. I like to do this stuff because I can get, like, I can take my hot comb and I can lay that baby down, like, and like when you turn the comb and you lay it down, it just gets it so straight. And if you want that bone straight look, I would advise you to just take sections, put a little bit of wax, not too much, in between each section, and then jag your comb, and baby, it's gonna be flat. Y'all look at that. Y'all see how flat and sleek that is? Don't forget the back, y'all. Do not forget the back. And make sure, because you can see some tracks, make sure you're parting out a section and making sure you're just sticking it in the back. Yesterday I was in the store and I picked up this new Ebon Wonderlace adhesive bond. This is the extra mega hole. I think this is just the original version if I'm not mistaken. It's like, oh, it's cute, it's small. But yeah, we're gonna try and see how it goes. Right, so once you scoot your wig back, you're gonna find the area in which you're gonna lay your lace. I like to work from middle, and then I like to work on the side. So I'm gonna spray mine to about right here. And I never used this extra version before. Ooh. So I'm curious to see if it's gonna hold like that black bottle. Now you can wipe your makeup off and then lay this on. I should start doing that, but I ain't. Not today. But once you get your layers down, I did about 1.5. I'm gonna turn my blow dryer on a cool heating setting. I'm gonna wait till it gets tapped. Now you're going to turn your air off and you're just going to check it. If it feels like your finger can get stuck to it, go ahead and lay it down. Mine still feel wet, so we're going to let it dry some more. Alright, that's better. Now my finger's getting stuck. Look, when it's getting stuck to the adhesive, that product, it's time to lay her down. Like to make sure that center part is right snap in the middle, okay? Right in the middle. I need to pull that back just a little bit. So, and while I'm doing this, I'm making sure I'm actually going in and stretching the lace as well. So you may end up having to cut a little bit more off since you are stretching the lace as well. And this also helps my lace lay super duper flat. So, and if hair is getting in your way, just use some clips to keep everything out of the way. The goal is to make sure the lace is super duper flat. So I'm gonna go in with my comb. The back end or this end of the comb helps as well. And you just gonna make sure you're pushing the lace down into your forehead. Like, y'all know when we was kids, we didn't know who we was talking to, but we was singing our hearts out when it comes to like certain songs. Like, girl, I don't know who we talking to or talking about, but yes, I feel your pain. But we can see all these. Cause if I can see it, y'all can see it. What I'm gonna do, go back in with some tint and spray, and I'm gonna lay my elastic band. This thing is dirty, bro. Alright guys, so I got this cheat thing. I seen it on Amazon. So I was like, let me get it to see if it actually works. So we're gonna take a piece. You cannot put big thick pieces in there. That's what I've noticed. It does have a left and right rotation, so you can curl the curls away from your face, or you can curl them towards your face. I usually like to keep my curls away from my face. So it says to put it this side towards your head and have it like at a 90 degree angle. And if it does get stuck or stuff like that, it tells you to reset it and you can just start over. All right, let me try. Put it like that. But once it's fully in there, I just let it sit until it beeps. I think it beeps 4 times, then it's done. You can pull it out. It's really cool, y'all. It's really cool. It guarantees that all my curls is gonna be the same. You see? Y'all see it's like a loose spiral curl. And I'm just gonna put some Sebastian hairspray on, and I'm gonna repeat. So y'all, this is it, okay? This is the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, y'all. This hair is fire. This hair had to grow on me for a moment because I was looking like, you know. But y'all, it is cute. It is calm, okay? So I will leave all the products that I used. I will also leave the link to the hair in the description section below. I'm just gonna wrap it up with a summary. I loved everything. Like I said, I did go ahead and tone the hair. I washed and conditioned it, straightened and blow dried it. Y'all, being that this is a 613, of course it's gonna do the normal shedding that it does. I did pluck into the unit, but overall so far, y'all, this wig I would give it a 10 out of 10. I have no complaints whatsoever with this wig. Y'all, I was really stepping out my comfort zone with this wig this time. Like the whole thing, there is no black. Y'all know I don't do nothing with no black root. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.